Flutter interviews powered by LeanCode. Let's migrate your app together.
Hi and hello. We are today at a Flutter Tech Summit, and together with me, it's Eduard from Sonova. Thank you for being here with us, and thank you for giving an excellent talk on your learnings from the transition to Flutter with Sonova and with Sennheiser application. So, Eduard, tell me, what was primarily the reason why you have decided to migrate to Flutter?
Yeah. First of all, thanks for having me here. It was a great event. What were our reasons? So we decided around 2 years ago to migrate to Flutter, and at this point in time, our application was already in the stores for 4 to 5 years and was actually based on a cross-platform framework already, native script, but we had many difficulties with it, let's say it. The framework, the community is much smaller for native script. There weren't many third-party packages available. A lot of things we had to develop from scratch. The performance was not what we liked it to be. Also, one major point was testing. So automated testing was really cumbersome to set up, unit tests, integration tests. So overall, we were really not happy with it, and then really made the decision to rewrite it in Flutter.
In Flutter. So your migration strategy was basically to a greenfield approach.
It was, yeah. So we started from scratch, which is also, as a developer, really nice. It gives you the chance to really rethink everything, rethink your processes, and also you have all the learnings from the old app. So it's a really great opportunity to reflect and really focus on the architecture of the app, and maybe try to make all the right decisions there to avoid that you have to refactor it then half a year later because you didn't consider things in the first place.
Right. And today, as we meet, June 2025, you are a couple of months after the release. So how satisfied are you with the results that you have right now in production?
We are super happy. So we as a team are very happy with the release. So we kind of chose a more or less silent release. So we released the app initially 3 months ago, and then announced it in our Reddit channel, followed the discussions there, got some feedback, provided hotfix release, and now gradually increased the number of users that we try to transition to the new app. So far, the feedback from our users was very positive, also within our company, it's very well perceived.
Excellent. So it must be very rewarding for you and the team. And what pieces of advice would you give to those tech leaders who want to follow your footsteps and migrate to Flutter?
Yeah. For one thing, surely what I just said, we take time to think about the architecture of the app, take the learnings that you had with the old app, try to
use that chance basically, right?
Use a chance to have a greenfield project, and then really try to get an expert on board that can help you with the technology, tackle all these hard problems, also make sure that your developers follow your certain best practices that are in Flutter. And because usually you won't have these experts in your team if you choose a new technology. Of course, you can try to train your developers on this, but then that's gonna cost you time, it's gonna cost you money, and you're gonna have to go through this whole trial and error phase, which you usually just can't afford. So for us, it was very helpful to get external help, and also not just some consultant or some coach that gives you a training and then leaves, but really somebody that sticks with you through the whole time of the project and really guides you. That was really helpful for us.
Definitely the guidance is very needed in the beginning with the Flutter migration. Great, excellent. Eduard, thank you for being here with us. Thank you for sharing your lessons, and good luck with the further development of application.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Build your next project with us. Schedule a free 30-minute consultation.